As you can tell, we were iced in. And a tree fell on my lean-to beside the garage. So, got some work to do there. Limb went through my roof. But I don't see any other damage. I can fix that myself. The weight of the ice and the wind pushed this one right over. There's other limbs down everywhere, but didn't damage my house. Needless to say, I'm not going to be, I didn't go try to get a RV to haul this week. I knew this was coming. I don't want to be out on the road with this kind of weather, especially since I'm doing it part-time and don't necessarily have to have that money right now. But as you can tell, I think we probably had about 1/2 inch of ice and then a little bit of sleet and snow on top of that. Power went off. Had to run my generator for a while. Came back on about 10 o'clock last night. But you kind of get a look at my place too. Neighbor parked out front. He lives behind my house back there quite a ways, and I was wondering why he did. And I walked down that road a little while ago, and there's, from the weight of the ice on the limbs, they're all leaning over his road. So we get some pretty cool views here with the sun hitting the trees, lighting up the ice. Well, short video. I just wanted to show you all the ice. Hopefully that, I don't know, maybe gave you some joy in how pretty it looks on the trees and everything. But I invite you guys to come help me cut this tree up that's laying on my garage. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.